Yes, dear students of class 9, we are learning in this online class about English literature. We have what chapter? The fun they had. The fun they had means the entertainment, the pleasantness they had. This lesson is set in future. This lesson is set in future. आने वाले समय में बहुत बात के लिए ये सेट किया गया लेसन है. This lesson is set in future. When books and school, as we know, they will perhaps not exist. आने वाले समय में when books and school will perhaps not exist. In coming generations, school and books will not exist. न स्कूल का अस्तित्व होगा न बुक का अस्तित्व. Everything will be on the screen. Millions of books, millions of classes will be given just on the screen of computer. This lesson is actually narrating about the modern way of learning. Modern way of learning in which learning through computer, learning through virtual classes, just through computer screen, robotic or mechanical teacher, moving e-text, all these will be the medium of learning, will be sources of learning in the coming generation, in coming future, when neither school nor books will exist. Everything will be on the screen. Today, you are a student, you go to school daily, keeping your all books, heavy bags just on your back carrying, and you feel troubled. But you have to go to school daily. You have to learn in your school from home and teacher like us, and you will have to do homework, you have to complete everything, you have to follow discipline of the school, you have to maintain the rule, you have to follow the rules of the schools and to do everything. But in coming generations, there will be no school, there will be no books. You have to learn on the computer screens. All books will be on the screen of computer, and there will be your learning. You will have to appear in the text on the computer screen, and you will learn separately at your home. You have not to go to school. तब आने वाले जनरेशन आपको स्कूल नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. You will have to learn at your home. You will have to prepare a lab, a class like this at your home. आप अपने घर में इस तरह का एक लैब रखेंगे, कंप्यूटर लैब लर्निंग, वही आपका स्कूल होगा, आपके घर पर होगा. It will be at your home, in your home room, at your home, in a room. There will be computer, there will be a screen, there will be everything. And this is present mode of learning, in which you go to school, teacher teaches in class, the students are sitting in class in groups, all the students are learning everything, and there is nothing like strain. But in coming generation, the student will learn at home, and mechanical or robotic teacher will teach online everything. You will learn online. There will be no interaction in class like anything, and there will be nothing to learn like learning in your class. In this way, in this lesson, Margie and Tommy are two characters. Margie is learning online and she is learning from a mechanical teacher. She is learning many subjects like geography, mathematics, science, etc. other subjects from a mechanical teacher, and she is weak in learning because the teacher or the robotic teacher or the mechanical teacher is learning in high standard. Margie's mother called another teacher who gave him an apple and started teaching in low standard, and she learned very well. She improved her knowledge. Anyhow, Tommy को एक ऐसी किताब मिलती है जिसमें स्कूल के बारे में बहुत कुछ लिखा हुआ है और पुराने जमाने की अध्ययन की क्या what was the system of learning or teaching or studying during old days is narrated in that book. They are learning all the books. They are learning about this book. They are learning all pages of the book by turning all these pages. And all these things are in a very strange situation. They are feeling very strange to find a book by Tommy. Tommy says, Margie, that I have bought a book. It is in this way, something about schools, something about learning, and the modern way of education. And they are talking about the old or the present system of education, how teachers were teaching in the schools, how students were interacting to each other about their topics, their learning, their lessons, their books, and how students were attending their school, how women teachers were teaching them just face-to-face meeting in classes, and how they were in a very good situation of learning. And they are, even if in the beginning they are refusing all these things that the modern way of education is good, but later on both of them are accepting the same, and they do not think that how small children be able to learn everything online. In this figure, it is clear a very small child is learning online everything, and he is writing with the help of the keyboard some comments, some answers, some questions. He is also submitting homeworks. He is also trying to do his work online. The robotic or mechanical teacher is online. In this way, they are also talking about the present way of education, how teachers were women, all students collects, how the grandfather of their grandfather goes to school during their childhood and attend the classes in groups. All the students talks to each other, interact with their subjects. They talk how to learn, what is the answer of the question, what about their homework, about their classwork, about their teacher, about their learning also. In this way, they are talking about the present way of education, and they are learning in the coming generation. So they are comparing the both. Lastly, they accept the same, that the fun they had, the interest, the entertainment, the pleasant way of learning they had. पुराने जमाने के मेथड में उनको पढ़ने में कितना आनंद आता था, कितना आनंद उन्हें था इन हिंदी। इस कहानी में आने वाली पीढ़ियों के बारे में, शिक्षा प्रणाली के बारे में लिखा गया है कि जब स्कूल और बुक अस्तित्व में नहीं हुई, आज की एजुकेशन प्रणाली, जब आज के बच्चे स्कूल जाते और वे क्लास में बैठते अपने साथियों से बात करते पढ़ाई के बारे में, लेसन के बारे में, नॉलेज के बारे में, सॉल्व करने के बारे में, इस तरह का तब नहीं होगा। तब का स्कूल ऑनलाइन आपके घर पर होगा, आपके कमरे में होगा, आप कंप्यूटर के स्क्रीन पर सारे किताब बुक्स को खोलकर पढ़ेंगे, देखेंगे, सीखेंगे। आपको ह्यूमन टीचर, मनुष्य के रूप में शिक्षक नहीं बल्कि रोबोटिक टीचर होगा, मैकेनिकल टीचर होगा, वो आपको पढ़ाएगा आने वाले जनरेशन। और एक मार्गी है और एक टॉमी। मार्गी भूगोल सहित कई विषयों को पढ़ती है, मैकेनिकल टीचर की, लेकिन उसका अचीवमेंट अच्छा नहीं है। फिर उसकी माँ दूसरे टीचर को इंस्ट्रक्शन बुलाती है, वह उसको पढ़ाना शुरू करता है, उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है। टॉमी को एक किताब मिलता है, जबकि जिस समय जिस मॉडल में पढ़ते हैं उस समय किताब तो था नहीं, और उस किताब में स्कूल के बारे में और बहुत सारे चीज़ों के बारे में लिखा हुआ है, जिसको देखकर उसके बारे में बात करते हैं कि कितना अच्छा होता होगा उस समय के लोगों को जब फेस टू फेस मिलकर शिक्षक पढ़ाते होंगे और बच्चे सामने सामने पढ़कर सीखते होंगे, और क्लास में ग्रुप में बच्चे आपस में इंट्रैक्शन करते होंगे, और उनके इंट्रैक्शंस आपस में बातचीत करके सीखने की जो पद्धति होगी कितनी अच्छी होगी, और उस पद्धति से उन्हें कितना बेनिफिट होता होगा, बच्चे कितने डिसिप्लिन होते होंगे। और वे यही सोचते हैं कि हम जो इस कमरे में बैठकर सीखते हैं ये बोरिंग है, वो अच्छा नहीं है, और हम इस सिस्टम को पसंद नहीं करते हैं। इसलिए इस चैप्टर का नाम ये लिखा गया कि कितना मज़ेदार वो सिस्टम था या होगा जब हमारे ग्रैंडफादर के ग्रैंडफादर आसपास के स्कूलों में जाकर साथ बैठकर सभी बच्चों के साथ बैठकर पढ़ते थे, और उनको पढ़ाने वाला ह्यूमन टीचर होता था और मॉडर्न की तरह रोबोटिक नहीं होता था। और उन्हें अफसोस है कि इस तरह के क्लासेस लगते और इस तरह के क्लासेस में हम लर्निंग करते, हमारा हाथ में बैग में बुक होता और सारे स्क्रीन पर होते, ऐसा नहीं होता। वो आज की पुरानी पद्धति की शिक्षा को वो ज़्यादा लाइक करते हैं। इस प्रकार जनरेशन प्रारंभिक आने वाले जनरेशन की आधुनिक शिक्षा और ये हमारी आज की पद्धति स्कूलिंग और लर्निंग से तुलना किया गया है। अंततः आने वाले जनरेशन वाले जो बच्चे होंगे आज की शिक्षा पद्धति को ही अच्छा मानेंगे, उनके लिए आनंददायक लर्निंग आज की ही शिक्षा होगी। मतलब स्कूल होगा, उसमें बच्चे जाएंगे, क्लासेस में बैठेंगे, उनको ह्यूमन टीचर साथ पढ़ाएंगे, उनके सवालों का जवाब देंगे, बच्चे आपस में ही इंटरेक्शन बातचीत करके कई सवालों का जवाब ढूंढेंगे, कई सवालों को जवाब ये आपस में समझेंगे, आपस में आदान प्रदान करेंगे। They will exchange their answers, questions and they will interact with each other about learning also. इस प्रकार मार्गी और टॉमी इस कहानी को बढ़ाते हैं और मॉडर्न और ओल्ड सिस्टम और कमिंग जनरेशंस लर्निंग के बारे में बहुत कुछ वो बताते हैं। अंततः वे फाइनल डिसीजन में ले आते हैं कि स्कूल सिस्टम और ये लर्निंग मेथड जो पुराने उनके दादा के दादा पढ़ते थे, द ग्रैंडफादर ऑफ देयर ग्रैंडफादर, लर्निंग मेथड वाज सो एक्सेलेंट एंड सो फन दे हैं, कितना आनंद था, कितने ग्रुप में स्कूल जाते थे, किस प्रकार लर्निंग करते थे, उनके लर्निंग कितने अच्छे थे, और उनके लर्निंग का माध्यम कितना अच्छा था। सामने टीचर थे, हमारे सामने तो आने वाले जनरेशन में तो हमारे सामने केवल स्क्रीन होता है, रोबोटिक टीचर होते हैं और उनसे हम इस तरह का इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं कर पाते। इसलिए मॉडर्न एजुकेशन को वे अच्छा नहीं मानते, वे पुराने स्कूलिंग को ही अच्छा मानते, जो बुक के माध्यम से लर्निंग होती है। अब बहुत सारे सवाल हैं, इसमें बहुत कुछ लिखा हुआ है, सवालों का जवाब समझते जाइए। आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन, हाउ ओल्ड आर मार्गी एंड टॉमी। मार्गी और टॉमी जो इसमें दो कैरेक्टर हैं जो बातें करते हैं, उनके एज के बारे में। मार्गी वाज एजेड 11 years, टॉमी वाज 30। मार्गी 11 and टॉमी वाज 30 years old. What did Margie write in her diary? What Margie is writing in her diary? Margie wrote in her diary, today Tommy found a real book. मार्गी ने अपने डायरी में लिखा कि टॉमी फाउंड ए रियल बुक इन विच देयर वर पेजेस एंड समथिंग वाज रिटन इन अबाउट स्कूल्स। किताब और स्कूल के बारे में। हाउ हैड मार्गी एवर सीन ए बुक बिफोर? नो, मार्गी हैडंट सीन एनी बुक बिफोर। क्या मार्गी ने किताब देखी थी? नहीं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में है, व्हाट थिंग्स अबाउट द बुक डिड शी फाइंड द स्ट्रेंथ। किताब में कौन सी चीज उसको स्ट्रेंथ लगा? इसमें लिखा, टर्निंग द पेजेस ऑफ द बुक शी फाउंड इट हेल्पफुल, फनी टू hear words that the students speak of moving the way they were supposed to on screen. When they turned book to the previous pages, it had the same words on when they had read it in the first one. Their book was on the screen, but in this book everything is on the paper, written or printed. It was no doubt a strength for her. What do you think a telebook is? What do you mean by telebook? A telebook is a book that could be read on a screen. Any book which can be read on a screen, on computer screen, that is a telebook. Telebook का मतलब जो बुक स्क्रीन पर उपलब्ध हो, कंप्यूटर के स्क्रीन पर पढ़ा जा सके, उनको telebook कहा जाता है। Words move on the screen for the student to read. Words को move करते हैं, स्टूडेंट उसको पढ़ते हैं स्क्रीन पर। ऑल द लेसन्स अपीयर्स ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन एंड आर फॉलोड बाय द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द बुक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में है, वेयर वाज मार्गीज स्कूल? डिड शी हैव एनी क्लासमेट्स? अब नाउ जो ओल्ड और न्यू का कंपैरिजन है। वेयर वाज मार्गीज स्कूल? मार्गीज स्कूल वाज एट हर होम। मार्गी का स्कूल कहाँ था? उनके घर पर, इन हर होम इटसेल्फ, घर पर ही। डिड शी हैव एनी क्लासमेट? नो, शी हैव नो क्लासमेट। जब क्लास में जाएंगे नहीं तो क्लासमेट कहाँ? इन फैक्ट इट वाज नेक्स्ट टू हर बेडरूम। मान लो उसके बेडरूम के बगल में उनका क्लासरूम था, अपने घर पर ही, और वहीं पर ऑनलाइन मैकेनिकल टीचर से लर्निंग करती है। इट वाज मैकेनिकल टीचर ऑन व्हिच स्क्रीन लेसन्स एंड क्वेश्चंस अपीयर्ड। शी हैड टू पुट हर homework in a particular slot and write the answer in false code. She did not have any classmates. सीधी सवाल नहीं लिखना, लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, हम लिख देंगे सीधे आंसर। मार्गी का स्कूल कहाँ पर था? मार्गी स्कूल वाज एट हर होम जस्ट बिसाइड हर बेडरूम। और दूसरा सवाल है, डिड शी हैड एनी क्लासमेट्स? नो, शी हैड नो क्लासमेट्स बिकॉज she was learning online and the class was at home. She had not to attend in any school. Question number 7. What subject did Margie and Tommy learn? Margie and Tommy का learning subject क्या था? Margie and Tommy learned geography, history and arithmetic. Their subject was geography, history and arithmetic. Now question is part 2. Answer the following question. Who says these words? What does it refers to? I would not throw it away. इस लाइन को किसने कहा? Who said these words? टॉमी said this word. इन वर्ड्स को टॉमी ने कहा, क्योंकि किताब उसी को मिली थी। टॉमी फाउंड ए बुक। नंबर 2 का What does it refers to? I would not throw it away. It refers to the book he found. It किताब को बताता। It refers to the television screen. It television screen को कहता, which had a million books on it. जिस पर millions of book, जिस पर millions of book, स्क्रीन के लिए it आया। What is it being compared with by the speaker? स्पीकर से क्या तुलना की जाती है? Tommy is comparing the television screen to the books in the earlier time in which words were printed on the page. मतलब स्क्रीन रिटेन को पेपर रिटेन से कंपेयर किया जा रहा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, श्योर दे हैड ए टीचर बट इट वाज नॉट ए रेगुलर टीचर, इट वाज ए मैन। हु डज दे रेफर टू? श्योर दे रेफर्स टू ए स्टूडेंट। दे किसके लिए आया? स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आया। वो स्टडी डाउन दी ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ स्कूलों में पढ़ते थे, ओल्ड काइंड स्कूल में अटेंड करते थे। कंट्री बिफोर द टाइम द स्टोरी इज सेट हियर। व्हाट डज रेगुलर मीन्स हियर? Regular refers to the mechanical teacher. Mechanical teachers are not regular. Regular refers to mechanical teachers. Mechanical teachers के लिए regulars है। The mechanical teachers. Yes. What is it contrasted with? The mechanical teacher is contrasted with the teacher of the earlier time. What is it contrasted with? Mechanical teacher is contrasted with the human teacher. Answer each of these questions. ये सवाल हम का उत्तर देना। What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers, robotic teachers. They are not like seeing on which of these lessons were found and questions were asked. They have to learn everything as seen on which questions were asked or answer were also given. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Margie's mother sent for the county teacher because Margie's learning was very dull. Margie had been given many tests in geography by the mechanical teacher. She had been performing worse and worse in them. It is for this reason that she sent for county इंस्पेक्टर। मार्गी का लर्निंग ज्योग्राफी में बहुत स्लो था, इसलिए वह काउंटी टीचर को बुलाई, क्योंकि उनका लर्निंग ज्योग्राफी में कमजोर था। हालांकि ज्योग्राफी, हिस्ट्री और अर्थमेटिक्स 3 सब्जेक्ट ये पढ़ती थी। व्हाट डिड ही डू? उसने क्या किया? मतलब काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने क्या किया? द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर गेव मार्गी एंड रेकमेंड स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन द मैकेनिकल टीचर। Margie had hoped that the inspector would not know how to put the mechanical teacher together again, but he managed to assemble it. He slowed off the geography sector of the teacher because it had become too quick. Because the mechanical teacher has made the learning so quick that Margie couldn't learn anything or couldn't learn perfectly. But the county teacher made it slow and tried to learn Margie best and perfectly. Question number 6. Why was Margie going badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help? Margie को county teacher ने कैसे help किया? Margie was going badly in geography because the Japanese system of mechanical teacher had been adjusted at a higher level. Because the mechanical teacher was teaching in higher level, so Margie was unable to learn the same in a easy way. So she couldn't learn it. ठीक है? The county inspector Gayatri told her that she could not be blamed for her poor performance. Committee teacher made it clear that Margie is not responsible for her poor performance because it was the responsibility of the teacher how to teach the student to her best level, to read or her best level. The county inspector slowed down. The county inspector slowed down his teaching of geography and sector of the mechanical teachers to an average 10 years level, and he made a teaching of 10 years level and taught her well for her students. ठीक है? What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Once what happened? एक बार Tommy के टीचर को क्या हुआ? Once Tommy's teacher had to be taken away for nearly a month because its history sector had blanket out completely. Once Tommy's teacher, एक बार टॉमी के टीचर को to be taken away, टॉमी के टीचर को एक बार हटा दिया गया क्योंकि taken away for nearly a month, एक महीने के लिए, because its history sector had blanked out completely, क्योंकि उनका history sector बिल्कुल blank out. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Yes, Margie had regular days and school hours for school. The mechanical teacher always turned on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Except Sunday and Saturday, Margie had regular classes on screen at her home. Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother said that little girls learn better when they learn at regular hours. Because her mother had made it clear that only in regular classes you can learn well. Without regularity, you cannot learn well. Question number 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Tommy says that the old kind of school existed centuries ago. Tommy says that such schools were centuries ago, बहुत पहले, शताब्दी पहले थे. They had a teacher, they had women teacher, and they had women teacher who was a man. Tommy ने कहा पहले के स्कूल में आदमी के रूप में शिक्षक होते थे और ये बहुत शताब्दी पहले की बात है. This teacher taught in a special building और एक स्पेशल बिल्डिंग में शिक्षक पढ़ाते थे जिसे स्कूल कहा जाता था. All the kids assemble and learn the same things according to their respective ages, and children learn according to their respective ages and classes also. बच्चे अपने उम्र और क्लास के मुताबिक पढ़ते थे, सीखते थे. पार्ट जो है How does it describe our old kind of school? Part 4 का है answer each of these question in 2 or 3 paragraph. ये लंबे क्वेश्चन है, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी का पहला क्वेश्चन है what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the school? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They had large black screen on which all the lessons were shown and questions were. How Margie and Tommy were learning as their class was at home and they were learning on a big black screen, and the everything question answer were written on the same screen, and they learned through the written question answer on the screen. They had a slot in which students has to put their homework. They have also given some parts of submitting homework. उसमें homework submit करने का भी कुछ ऐसा ऑनलाइन प्रोसेस है जिसमें अपना होमवर्क सबमिट करते हैं. They have to write their answer in a punch code and make mechanical teacher calculate the marks immediately. They have to write their answers of the questions as given in punch board and mechanical teachers evaluate it immediately. जो भी प्रश्नों का सवाल देते हैं उनको जल्दी ही इवैल्यूएट कर दिया जाता है. Their schools were their homes itself. जैसा कि हमने बताया ऑनलाइन their school was at their home. They had not have any classmates. They had not classmates because they were not attending the school. They learned geography, history and arithmetic also. They had regular days and hours for school. They have regular hours of learning at home. Margie's school was right next to her bedroom. The mechanical teacher always turned on at the same time. Days except Saturday and Sunday. Except Saturday and Sunday, they learn their lesson every day. Every day. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? मार्गी विद्यालय से घृणा क्यों करती है? वह क्यों सोचती थी कि प्राचीन प्रकार का विद्यालय मनोरंजक होगा? Margie hated school because it was not fun. Margie hated school because that her school was not fun. Means her school was not entertaining, her school was not interesting, her school was not so interesting. It was not a fun. She had been doing badly because she was doing bad in her subject geography test that her mechanical teacher had been giving. When her mother sent for quantity teacher, when her mother called a quantity teacher, the quantity teacher changed the level of teaching and he taught her according to her standard and she learned well. She hopes that the inspector takes the mechanical teacher away. She is disappointed when the county inspector manages to assemble all the parts of the mechanical teacher. The parts that she hated the most was in starting the homework and test paper in the shop on the mechanical teacher. She did not like the fact that she had to write her answer in a punch. She disliked to write her answer in the punch code on the screen, and so she also disliked her school. She thought that the old kind of school must have been fun, as she imagined all the kids from the entire neighborhood coming together. She liked the old kind of school because all the neighboring kids gathered and sit in class for learning in a group together. So she likes the old kind of schools. They go to classroom together and come at home at the end of the day. They would learn the same things and could help one another with the homework. In this old method of classes, the students help each other completing homework, completing question answer, completing all such lessons related learning with the help of interaction to each other. Question number 3, long question number 3. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons. Do you agree with Margie? Yes. Yes, the school today are more fun than the school in the story. Today the school system is more fun, more interesting, is more best way of learning. Today the school system is best way of learning, and Margie's or the school in the story, online learning at home, is not better than the school today. So we can say we are agree with Margi that the school today are more fun than the school in the story. And the reasons we have to give, हम कई रीजन दे देंगे, because today the schools are interactive. Today the schools are interactive. Today the schools are not boring. The students complete their homework, question answers with the help of interaction. Moreover, children develop a better understanding about each other. Children share their knowledge, share their discipline and other things to improve their knowledge also. They also learn about their surroundings with the help of each other. When they go to school and interact with each other, it is a healthier way of learning. So today's way of learning is the healthier way of learning according to Margi also. Listening to teachers explaining lesson is always more interesting. Listening to teacher in classroom and explaining the answer of the question asked by the teacher is more interesting than reading the entire lesson on the mechanical computer. Reading all lesson on computer screen is not so interesting. Also, if any student faces any problem with the subject of homework, you can discuss with the teacher and fix. If there is any problem about lesson or about question or about answer, the student can discuss to each other, can ask to their teacher. So, the present way of learning is the best learning. Best way of learning. The excitement of waiting to know the marks scored in the exams greater when it is sitting in a classroom with other students. Getting your marks with sitting in the class with other students is more interesting. It doesn't have the same effect when the marks are calculated immediately after a test has been taken or on the online marks is allotted or given of the test. Therefore, the school today are more fun than the school in the story as they are more interactive. Today's school are more interactive and interesting than the school in coming generation, as Margi and Tommy also admitted the same, accepted the same, that today's way of learning is better than the coming generations online or the screen medium learning, online learning by mechanical teachers. They promote a healthy environment for the students to study and learn. The students get a healthy environment of the school to learn with the help of each other. And it is the last question of this lesson. I think you must have learned this lesson very well, and you will complete all these question answer also. You will feel no difficulty in answering all these questions also. There is nothing like difficult questions in this chapter also. Both Margi and Tommy are narrating and comparing the same thing, and your feeling will also add some important aspect to make the lesson easy, and will also help you to solve all questions and any inner question also. If you will given some other question than given in this lesson, you will also solve the same. For best learning, you can do self-study also, and I have tried my best to complete the lesson for best learning. Thank you.